Your sneeze pauses for 130 milliseconds while your body builds a pressure chamber. So why does your airway briefly seal before the blast? The brain starts the inhale phase about 0.6 seconds before the sneeze. Then your vocal folds snap shut, creating a sealed pressure chamber. Your diaphragm stops first. Your abdominal muscles switch on 30 milliseconds before launch. It's like squeezing a balloon before releasing its opening. The pressure spike lasts 130 to 175 milliseconds, reaching 135 centimeters of water. Suppressing a sneeze can multiply airway pressure differences up to 24 times.